Hello, YouTube. I am here today to let you know about a business opportunity that you cannot resist. Um, I quit my 9 to 5 job, y'all. And let me tell you, I got into the company. I have amazing coaches. I have a support team that is out this world. I have a financial stability to do whatever I want, go wherever I want, however I want. Today is a little gloomy outside. It's rainy, so I'm just really basically on my jammies. Um, Still making money though. That's the good thing about when you decide to make a change and you don't have to work for someone else. You could be at home while it's raining. You ain't got to get wet. You don't have to get muddy unless you just want to. But I have a business opportunity for anyone that can join. I only require 3 things, and that is to one, make sure you're coachable. You know what I'm saying? You just have to be coachable and have the willingness to learn. Two, if you have a smartphone, laptop, PC, MacBook Pro, I mean, just anything that you have that connects to the internet and the Wi-Fi, and a free PayPal account, you're good. I did it. I invested myself. I invested in myself. And let me tell you, I've never looked back. I never looked back. And I love it. I'm able to be at home with my family, um, go out to eat wherever I want. I'm able to travel and see things that wasn't able to see working a 9 to 5, helping somebody else make money when I'm sitting on money myself. So if you want to know more about this amazing opportunity, just I'm gonna leave the information in the description below. Please click, read it, um, take a leap of faith. Change your mind setting. That's what I had to do. I had to change my mind setting. So if you're willing to take the next step to change your future and be able to live comfortably in the privacy of your own home, but then give me a try. And as always, take a leap of faith, trust the process, and I'll see you at the top.